This folding wallet pattern has 4 slot card pockets, 2 inner pockets, and a large pocket for bills. This folding wallet can be made using some small scraps of fabric that you have left over from other projects. Download the free pattern following the link in the description below, and follow along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, we're going to add interfacing to the pocket pieces, the tab, and the outer wallet. Basically, you're going to apply interfacing to all of the pieces except the outer wallet lining and the inner pocket lining. Fold over the top of the lower pocket and the middle pocket pieces 1/2 inch and sew. So these are the 2 smaller sizes of pockets. Now you want to stack the 3 pocket pieces and baste them together along the sides and bottom. Now you want to fold over the inner side of both side pocket stacks 1/2 inch and sew. You want to make sure the 2 stacks of pockets mirror each other, so you'll be folding over the right side of one and the left side of the other. After sewing, trim any excess seam allowance to reduce bulk. Now you want to sew the side pocket stacks to the inner pocket. Be sure the pockets are lined up with the outer edges of the inner pocket, and the hemmed side of the pocket stacks are facing the center. Now it's time to add the lining to the inner pocket piece. With right sides together, sew the inner pocket lining to the inner pocket along the top edge. After sewing, trim the excess seam allowance to reduce bulk, and then flip the lining to the back of the inner pocket and press it in place. You may want to baste around the perimeter to keep it lined up with the back of the pocket. You want to line up the inner pocket piece with the bottom of the outer wallet lining. The top should remain open because this is going to be the cash pocket. Now let's prep the carrier tab. Fold the edges of the tab to the center and then fold it in half to hide the raw edges. Then you want to baste the tab to the center top of the outer wallet. Now you want to cut 4 inches of elastic and baste it to one side of the wallet. On the other side of the wallet, you want to sew a cute button. With the right sides together, sew the outer wallet to the lining. Be sure to leave a gap when sewing so that you'll be able to turn it to the right side. Now you want to clip the corners and trim the seams to reduce bulk, and then turn the wallet right side out through that gap. Then you want to press the seams so that it's nice and neat, and you have your finished wallet.